Does your car have a check engine light on, just like this 1996 Nissan pickup? If it does, stay tuned. Let me show you what we found with this one. Let me connect our scan tool so this way we can pull the codes and then we can do a quick baseline diagnosis to figure out what's going on with this Nissan. Let's take a look. So I went ahead and pulled the code. This vehicle has a P0115, which is an ECT code. If I go into freeze frame, which most of you guys delete because the moment you pull the code, you clear the light, the freeze frame is going to tell us exactly what was going on when this problem occurred. So the first thing I notice as soon as I go into freeze frame, notice how engine coolant temperature is reading -40 degrees. This is automatically an indication to me that this circuit is either unplugged or it's missing part of the ground. So let's go to do a quick visual at the car and see what's going on. So the first thing I noticed when I removed the air box was the engine coolant temperature had a pin that was sticking out and somebody tried to do an initial repair. What's going to end up happening here is we're going to replace this pigtail, and this pigtail is the one who's causing that P0115 code. Always make sure when you guys are doing an evaluation or diagnosis, do a quick visual inspection first, so this way you can rule out any type of electrical connection issue before you throw any type of part at it. So after replacing the pigtail for the engine coolant temp sensor, notice how now we're getting 158 degrees. I was running the truck for a little bit, so now we have a higher temperature. This is telling me that the repair was successful and this car is ready to go back to the customer. If your car is also suffering from a check engine light and you've gone to several shops and they haven't been able to help you, make sure you guys give us a ring at 909-493-1855 and we'll help you guys get your vehicle properly diagnosed and get you back on the road.